So guys, I'm here in Pebeli Hotel. This is 5-star hotel, guys. It's midday here, you know. I'm having something to eat. And you see all of this wine, look. Look. This is all the wine here in the hotel. And look at the temperature. This is the restaurant, by the way.
So that's going to be breakfast. Especially already. Now to go down to the pool. Just cross here the bar. Soon you pass the bar. After that, go take the left. There's a pair of stairs down to one. Enjoy.
There you go. Cool.
What did you want to say?
There you go. Are you just telling me they have the brunch here tomorrow?
And then there's the reception over there, guys. Hi.
Obrigado.
Thank you. Ciao. Hi. Huh? Yeah, it's comfortable to walk around. Yeah. Yeah.
From the Philippines.
Thank you. Yeah.
He's from Philippines, yeah.
Yeah. I come here because I take the